बाबा आयज तूं मेळोन येयलो कितें जालें?
कितें डिस्कशन कितें
हे पार्टीचे आमचे आतां इलेक्शन जे लागीं पावलां ताचे बद्दल पॉलिटिकल जी कितें स्ट्रेटजीज आसा म्हणजे पार्टीचे ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे मॅटर्स आसा ताचे बद्दल डिस्कशन आसा.
सो आनी कांय डिस्कस करूं ना पार्टी लिडरशीपाचेर बीन कितें
सगळे वेगवेगळे विशय डिस्कस केल्या जे कन्सर्निंग द पार्टी आनी द स्टेट आनी ताचेर जें कितें ताका सांगपाचें आसा तें आमी उलयलें.
So there is a talk regarding ki you are upset with the Congress. What do you like to say on that?
I am 22 years in Congress. I have been upset many times. If I am upset also, that is between me and my party. And I have never said that I am upset or something. That is all speculation. Party is, this is our party. It's like a family. If there is anything, we bring it to the notice of the party leadership. There is no question of being angry or upset or anything.
पूण तूं सॅटिस्फाय
Focus is
आसा?
to defeat BJP right now, and we are all focused and concentrating on how to defeat BJP.
पूण तूं सॅटिस्फाय आसा?
बावीस वर्सां तूं पार्टी वांगडा तूं पार्टी वांगडा तुवें रावन आतां कितें तिकीट मेळटलें तुमकां और कितें फुडें पळयता कशें कितें ना अशें कितें
I am working for the हांव तुका परत रिपीट करता अवर प्रायमरी फोकस रायट नाव इज टू ब्रिंग BJP डावन कित्याक BJP गोंयांत कंटिन्यू जावप म्हणल्यार इट इज नॉट अबाउट काँग्रेस पार्टी इट इज अबाउट द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा आज गोंयची कशी वाट होलसेल BJPन लायल्या ती सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आसा आनी ती जर प्रिवेंट करतलो जाल्यार BJPक सत्ते वयल्यान सकयल काडपाची गरज आसा सो सगळ्यांचो फोकस आनी सगळ्यांची प्रायोरिटी BJPक कशी देवप आनी लोकांक एक लोकांचे प्रो पब्लीक एस्पिरेशन फुलफील करतले अशें सरकार कशें दितलें हाजेर फोकस
पूण
करतले.
सुनील तूं इतलें उलयता जाल्यार तूं ह्या दिसांनी थोडे प्रोग्राम्स हें ते ऑफिसान कितें
म्हाका दिसता तुवें सारकें पळोवंक ना
No, no, no.
कित्याक हांव प्रत्येक मिटिंगेक आसा पार्टीन जेन्ना मिटिंग्स कॉल केल्या आनी म्हाका जेन्ना इंटिमेशन आसा आय हॅव बीन देर इवन रेवल्युशन डे प्रोग्राम जो म्हापसा जालो आय वॉज देर यू शूड सी चॅक प्रॉपर्ली आय वॉज ट्रेवलिंग दॅट टायम एंड आय हॅव ऑलरेडी आय हॅड इन्फॉर्म द लिडरशीप ओवर
कितें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमकां कितें रिगार्डींग इलेक्शन आसलें
Sunil, are you ready to work under the leadership of Girish Chudhankar? कितें अशें कितें
I will be very clear again to this question. The question is to defeat BJP. We are all congressmen. We are committed to defeat BJP. We are committed to bring a new Congress government in the state so that the problems that the people of Goa are facing, like the massive land conversion, the uncontrolled corruption, unemployment, and so many issues. You name the issue, and that issue is
Sunil, that's right. That's right. But my specific question: will you
I will
work
give you a
under the
specific answer.
leadership?
So the question is the leadership, this leadership, that leadership. Party has a hierarchy. Party has a system. Party, whenever the party takes a decision, the party cadre have to accept it or reject it, and whatever they have to inform the leadership, they can do it. And there are platforms available, there are various means available, and whatever we have to say, whatever had to be said, we have already
So
done.
the party leadership, whatever they tell you, you will accept it.
आज तुका सांगला बरं अरे बाबा if I
That's all.
no I am telling boy if with this question if I had to not accept it I would have not been in the Congress party. As simple as that.